Well, good morning everybody. After that chilling, really cold bike ride to my favorite spot to take some woodland photos with trains and bridges, there seems to be a bit of an issue. So the favorite spot where I'm usually standing to take photos from here has been destroyed. This was supposed to be a walkway. There was a bunker down here, and yeah, so no photos from this spot anymore. But I think there are still some other opportunities to take photos from this well, pretty cool location, and have my drone with me, so let's hope we get to find some good pictures. Okay, that is as far as I dare to go here. No place for a tripod, but that's not really an issue, is it? Yeah, I'm still waiting for some light on the bridge behind me. It will probably take still a few minutes to get there, but to be honest, it does still look good already with the bridge, the reflections down here, and the fog rolling in or out, depending on how you look at it. Yeah, that's a very amazing spot, especially in fall, now that the colors are full out and we can enjoy the cold weather already. Sadly, there is still no light on the bridge and the foliage, but to be honest, it still looks good this way anyway. And I mean, the reflection down here is awesome. The trees and the bridge. Okay, as you can see, the light is slowly coming in. Time to get the drone up again. Okay, that's is it from down here from the bridge. That is pretty amazing place, even if it is a bit destroyed down here from the high waters we had. And it's pretty an old place to visit. I wish you a very nice autumn. Enjoy the colors if they are still around. It is the pretty amazing time to be a hobby photographer or even a professional photographer with all those nice light and the colorful foliage. So yeah, go there and shoot. Bye bye.